How relaxing was that? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm going to be playing with some kinetic sand. The first color I have is green. This is an awesome lime green color. If you're not familiar with kinetic sand, it's just like real wet sand,
but minus the wet.
It's dry to the touch, but you can mold it and it'll hold its shape. But when you break it apart, it slips through your fingers just like dry sand. And speaking of dry, this sand never dries out, so you can keep playing with it forever. Next, I have some hot pink sand. Check out how that sand moves. It looks super awesome up close. This sand also sticks to itself, so it's really easy to clean up. Ooh, this color is beautiful. It's like a teal green color. The sand doesn't stick to any surfaces or your hands. You can mold it into whatever you want and even cut it up. Whoa! This tan color looks exactly like the sand you would see at the beach.
But without any of the mess.
Let's start molding it into little half domes. All you do is pour the sand into each mold and then compact it down so it holds its shape. My teal tray is all done. Let's turn it around and pop it out. I made 10 teal domes. Let's make some hot pink ones next. All done!
Ta-da!
Time to do the lime green ones. Yay! I love these ones! They look like little limes. And last but not least, I'll do the tan color. Here's my last color. And now it's time to squish it. This feels oddly satisfying. Double squish! Click that like button if you think this is super satisfying. What a beautiful day for a stroll! Squish! Smush! Squish! Smush!
Quadruple squish.
That was some good squishing. Let's move on to something else. I made this awesome pink kinetic sand ball.
Look at how perfectly round it is. Let's squish it.
Oh, I think there's something in there. It's red and yellow. Oh, it's an Iron Man Tsum Tsum.
How cute is he? Genius billionaire philanthropist.
Go jet off, Iron Man, so we can play with some more kinetic sand. Look at this lime green one I made. It kind of looks like a tennis ball. Let's squish it, because I bet there's something inside. Ah, it's Stitch! This one is super cute.
Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind.
Let's see if Stitch has any family in this teal one. Whoops! Something just fell out. Oh, it's Minnie Mouse! Maybe in the next one we'll find Mickey Mouse. Back to the lime green ball. Let's cut this one open to see what's inside. Oh, hi, Dumbo! We found a flying elephant. I'm back at it with the pink one. Oh, it's Daisy Duck. We didn't find Minnie's boyfriend Mickey, but we did find her best girlfriend. Here's another lime green ball.
You're about to get smushed. Roar!
I spy some ears. It's the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. He's always late, so he better get going. These are all the surprise toys we found in the kinetic sandballs. How cute are they? Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!